this is Brenda Desserts from around the world, and today's destination is South Korea. I'll be trying a recipe for yaksik, also known as rice cakes. So let's get started. To start, this is 2 cups of sweet rice. So first you want to do is wash it until the water comes clear. The water now comes clear, so you want to soak this for at least 30 minutes to an hour. So while our rice is soaking, I have juju. This is like 1 cup, and we're going to cut them. I'm going to slit them. These are already pitted, so they don't have the seeds in the middle. So I'm just now going to roll it up. And then slice it. So you get this shape. So once again, these are not, they're already pitted already, so I'll just slice it on one side. Then once you have it open, roll it. And slice. So once you're finished slicing your jujus, I have a half a cup of walnuts right here that I'm just gonna chop up. The more traditional way is pine nuts, but I couldn't find those, so I'm gonna use walnuts. Some people also use pecans as well. Now I have like a half a cup or a cup of chestnuts. Make sure they're peeled. I got the canned version. So you just want to chop these up to 4s. So I also have half a cup of golden raisins. Some people might use dried cranberries. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna get my water ready. I have 2 cups of water and a few slices of juju. Then the water, and I'm gonna put this in mini heat and just let this simmer for 10 minutes. So once it's been 10 minutes, you're going to strain your water. And from there, you're going to add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Now you want to stir this until it's well dissolved. And from there, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. And give that a mix. So I have my rice cooker out. You can always use a steamer if you don't have a rice cooker, but the rice cooker will be faster than a steamer. So I have my rice that's been soaking more than 30 minutes, and I drained the water out of it, so I'm gonna add it to my rice cooker. Trying to get every grain in there. And from there, you're gonna add your sauce that you just made earlier. And from there, you're gonna add your raisins, your chestnuts, your walnuts, and from these, you want to save just a little bit for decoration. I'm gonna take a few out. And the rest you just pour inside. And then you want to give this a mix. So now I'm going to put it on white rice mode, so that's like 30 minutes. So my rice cooker is done. Open it up. I'm gonna give it another stir. And let it sit until room temperature, then we could shape it. Now there's different ways you could shape them. You could get like a little cup, put it plastic around it. You grab one of the slices you have, place it in the middle. Grab some of your rice. And then push it down. And once you have it nice and tight, take it out of your mold. And there you go. Some people put pine nuts to make it look like a flower, but I didn't have any pine nuts. Or you could use like a little shape bowl too to make your shapes. Or you could use like a square pan lined with plastic. So you could add some of these on the bottom. Just like that, and get your rice. Push down. And after this, then you can cut them into bars. So you could do any shape you like. Time for a taste test. These rice cakes came out so delicious. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but it was nice and sweet. I love the raisins and the walnuts. I didn't care for the chestnuts in it, but it's an easy recipe to make. I encourage you guys to make this and let me know how it went for you guys. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.